Hello boys and girls. Welcome to another math lesson with me, Nigel Facey. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to 1. Identify the factors of a number, and 2. Identify the common factors of two given numbers. Does anyone remember what a factor is? Good try. Let me help clarify what really is a factor. In mathematics, a factor is a number or algebraic expression that divides another number or expression evenly, that is, with no remainder. For example, 6 can be evenly divided by 1, 2, 3, and 6. Hence, 1, 2, 3, and 6 are all factors of 6. You may be there wondering how we arrived at these factors. Follow me as we discover how to find factors of a number. Let us go back to the number 6. In this case, we will use counters to represent the number. In trying to determine the factors of 6, we place the counters into as many even groups as can be made. Here is an example. 6 can be grouped evenly as 1 group of 6, 2 groups of 3, 3 groups of 2, and 6 groups of 1. Hence, as was stated earlier, 1, 2, 3, and 6 are factors of 6. Did you get that? Let us look at another number. This time, let us try 15. Again, we will use counters to represent the number 15. Our task is now to determine the number of even groups we can make from 15 counters. Go ahead and try. What did you get? Look and compare your results with mine. Here are the representations of the even groups that can be formed from 15. 3 groups of 5, 5 groups of 3, 1 group of 15, and 15 groups of 1. Therefore, the factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, and 15. I think I want to try one more example. Let us use the number 7. Please help me to find the factors of 7. Well, let us select our 7 counters. We will now try to arrange the counters into all the even groups we can make. What did you notice? Exactly. You are absolutely correct. We can only arrange 7 into 2 even groups. 1 group of 7 or 7 groups of 1. Therefore, 7 has only 2 factors. These are 7 and 1. Great job so far. Let us further investigate the 3 numbers used in our example and their factors to see what else we can determine. Here are the three numbers and their factors. 6 and its factors, 1, 2, 3, and 6. Then 15 and its factors, 1, 3, 5, and 15. Our third number was 7, and its factors are 1 and 7. Now let us observe them more closely. Did you notice that all three numbers have 1 as a factor? Did you? If the same factor is found in the numbers being compared, it is called a common factor. Yes. So in mathematics, a common factor is a number or expression that can be divided into different numbers or expressions without leaving a remainder. Let us compare the factors of 6 and 15. Can you see any factor or factors that are in both? What are they? Brilliant. Excellent work, students. 1 and 3 are factors of both 6 and 15. Hence, 1 and 3 are common factors of 6 and 15. Help me find the factors of 8 and 12, after which you can identify their common factors. Remember, in finding the factors of 8, we find all the even groups. So in the case of 8, we will get 4 groups of 2, 2 groups of 4, 1 group of 8, and 8 groups of 1. So the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, and 8. Now, what about 12? Did you get 12 groups of 1, 1 group of 12, 2 groups of 6, 6 groups of 2, 4 groups of 3, and 3 groups of 4? So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Great job so far. Let us now identify the factors that are common in both 8 and 12. What are they? Can you identify them? Great job. The common factors of 8 and 12 are 1, 2, and 4. Let me reinforce a few things before we leave this lesson. All numbers have at least 1 and the number itself as factors. You should notice that some numbers have only 2 factors, while others have more than 2 factors. Can you recall from your previous lessons what numbers with only 2 factors and those with more than 2 factors are called? Yes, those are they. Numbers with only 2 factors are known as prime numbers, and those with more than 2 factors are known as composite numbers. Awesome job. Well, boys and girls, this is where I leave you for today. Continue to work hard and see you next time.